Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best camera for YouTube in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you are looking for a best camera for YouTube that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place to find out more information about these best camera for YouTube. You can check out the link description below. First product on our list is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, which the EOS 5D Mark IV camera builds on the powerful legacy of the 5D series, offering amazing refinements in image quality, performance and versatility. Canon's commitment to imaging excellence is the soul of the EOS 5D Mark IV. Wedding and portrait photographers, nature and landscape shooters, as well as creative videographers, will appreciate the brilliance and power that the EOS 5D Mark IV delivers. Superb image quality is achieved with Canon's all-new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, and highly detailed 4K video is captured with ease. Focus accuracy has been improved with a refined 61-point AF system and Canon's revolutionary dual-pixel CMOS AF for quick, smooth AF for both video and live view shooting. Second product on our list is the Sony A7 R3. Shoot high-speed subjects at up to 10 fps with continuous, accurate AF-AE tracking. A back illuminated XMOR RCMOS sensor with gapless on-chip lens collects more light. Operating temperature: 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Faster image processing. An updated Bion's X processing engine boosts processing, inspiring maximum creativity with resolution, sensitivity, dynamic range, processing speed and shooting response further enhanced. The ±7 RIII packs pro style operability into a strong compact body to give you greater flexibility to take brilliant shots in any situation and can capture once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Capture an instant action with continuous shooting of up to 10 fps with AF-AE tracking. Huge data of 4. Third product on our list is the Panasonic LUMIX GH5, which we consider the best 4K camera for YouTube. The Panasonic LUMIX GH5 is the latest in this company's line of high-end mirrorless cameras. It features a micro 4/3 LUMIX sensor, producing a resolution of 20.3 megapixels. The 3.2-inch vari-angled touchscreen is bright and gives you a good look at the photos and videos you have taken. The Venus engine in this camera is one of the newest features in this line of cameras, and it is 1.66 times faster due to an extra processing core. This camera's sensitivity range goes from ISO 100 to 25,600. We were certainly glad to see this increase in sensitivity, and it has contributed to the superior overall quality of the still shots. One of the biggest improvements to the GH5 from the previous model is the Viewfinder. This camera offers a whopping 3,680,000 resolution with 0.76 times magnification. Another feature that sets this apart from the others in this series is its Axis Dual is 2 anti-shake system. This embody image stabilization guarantees a steady picture for both still shots and videos. You can capture stunningly beautiful 4K video at 60 frames per second. Its highlight features include 4K video at 60 frames per second and body image stabilization. It's dual South Dakota card slot, and it contains built-in Wi-Fi. There are many pros as well, including impressive video quality. The extremely detailed 4K resolution video capture of this camera is beyond amazing. It also boasts a durable build. The magnesium alloy construction of this camera is very tough. Its touchscreen is another great pro. The LCD screen has a touch interface that is very responsive. It's also fast and quiet. Unlike many other high-end digital cameras, this one runs quietly with quick overall performance. The few cons we notice were the area autofocus mode is not quite as quick as it is in video mode, and while the image quality is good, it's not quite on par with similar models on the market. The superb 4K resolution of this camera's video capture makes it one of the best YouTube cameras available. Priced at nearly $1,700, you will certainly get your money's worth. Fourth product on our list is the Canon G7x Mark II, which we consider the best camera for vlogging. The Canon G7x Mark II has a 1-inch sensor which is larger than most standard compact models. It contributes to the improved overall image quality and performance in low light conditions. This camera has the same 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor as its predecessor, as well as a 4x optical zoom lens with a focal length Of 24 to 100mm, the exterior of this camera has been changed a bit, but the Digit 7 processor is the biggest improvement that has been made. Its shooting performance has been enhanced in the big way, now offering a faster burst shooting rate. You can record in full HD. Unfortunately, there is number 4K capability. There is, however, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity that will let you connect with your smartphone easier than ever before. The touch-sensitive LCD screen tilts, allowing you to shoot from numerous angles. We were a bit disappointed to see the lack of a viewfinder, but the multi-angle display more than makes up for it. The mode dial on this camera offers both manual and semi-automatic options. There is a full auto mode, as well as hybrid auto and numerous video modes to choose from. There are many highlight features, which include its multi-angle 3-inch tilt screen, the 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, its HD video recording capabilities. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, and it has continuous shooting up to 8 frames per second. Its pros are it has excellent low light performance. This camera performs great in low light conditions thanks to its new image sensor. It has lots of control options. There are a plethora of manual control options to choose from, allowing you to achieve the perfect look for your photos. It also has great optical image stabilization. The improved image stabilization of this camera means clearer and better looking still and videos, and it also offers the tilting touchscreen. The touchscreen on this camera can be tilted when you need to take a picture at an awkward angle. There were a few cons we noticed as well. There is no viewfinder to speak of on this camera, but the multi-tilt screen compensates for that. Also, the fifth product on our list is the Gopro Hero 7 Black, which we consider the best camera for travel vlogging. The Gopro Hero 7 has changed quite a bit from its predecessor, but one of the most noticeable differences is its color. The black matte finish of this camera gives it a very stylish and modern look. It measures 1.8 by 2.6 by 1.4 inches with the weight of only 4 ounces. The compact design of this camera allows you to put it in tight places where others cannot fit. There is a touchscreen LCD on the rear of this camera that displays previews of the photos and videos you capture with absolute clarity. The screen has a responsive design and measures 2 inches diagonally. Another display on the front will show you the current mode, battery life, card capacity, and recording status. It has a waterproof design even without a case, which is something we found to be very impressive. It can be submerged in up to 33 feet of water before sustaining any damage. The Hero 7 can record smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second. Its digital stabilization has been greatly improved upon from the previous model in the series. This means clear and great looking video playback. It has many highlight features, the first being its 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. The second is its voice control, thirdly its live streaming, and fourth is great front LCD screen. There are many pros as well, the first being its superb image stabilization. The improved image stabilization provides you with clearer video playback. Second is its rugged design. This camera's waterproof design makes it very durable and long-lasting. Third is the mobile app. The smartphone app that this camera works with allows you to share your videos on social media while you record or after. And fourth, it's very user-friendly. There is a very user-friendly design that makes this camera easy to use for anyone. There were 2 cons that we noticed. The first is the battery life of this camera could definitely be better, hovering around 2 hours second. It can take quite a while to transfer files from the camera to your smartphone via the app, priced at just under $400. The Gopro Hero 7 is the best vlogging camera 2018 has to offer. For those who'd like to travel, its rugged design will let you take it into water up to 33 feet, making it perfect for aquatic adventures. What we really like, the amazing video quality and image stabilization of this camera. Its battery doesn't last long before needing to be